In 2002, alalās became extinct in the wild, but now the San Diego Zoo is working to repopulate and re-release them back into the wild. Currently, as of 2022, there are 114 alalās, all in captivity.
But wait, what even are alalās? What do they look like, sound like, eat? What are they? What are they?
Okay. The alalā, which is also known as the Hawaiian crow or the Corvus hawaiiensis, is currently extinct in the wild. But before that, they lived in upland Hawaiian forests. They like to stay between 3,000 and 6,000 feet above sea level, and thus lived in these forests, and in that elevation range. In their upland forest nests, alalās would lay 1 to 5 greenish-blue eggs in April. On average, only about 2 eggs would survive without human intervention, such as scientists. Around 1 month after the eggs are laid, they hatch. After hatching, the baby alalā would be fed and taken care of by its parents for around 60 days before they had to go out and fend for themselves. But they wouldn't have to technically fend for themselves, because alalās live together in flocks.
But wait, what do they look like?
An average fully grown alalā is 18 to 20 inches, around 1.14 pounds, is a dull black color, has brown-tinged wings, and stiff hair like throat feathers with grayish shafts. They also have black bills and legs, and gray-black eyes. Okay, now that you know what they sound like too, alalās, like many birds, will make many different sounds based on what they are saying.
What do they eat, kiddo?
Alalās are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. They mainly eat insects, worms, arachnids, and Hawaiian fruits like olapa, iei, and ho'ava. They also like to eat foods such as seeds, nuts, and food grain, to name a few. Alalās are aggressive birds, so they can attack things, and will. Sometimes they will attack as groups, a behavior known as mobbing. What are their predators? The alalās' main predators are mongoose, cats, and the Hawaiian hawk, which is their main predator. Humans and farmers in particular also pose a big threat to them. All of these threats, in addition to other dangers they face in everyday life, pushed them to being extinct in the wild. As I briefly mentioned earlier, scientists are working with the San Diego Zoo to repopulate alalās. In the late 1990s, there were less than 20 alalās. Now, there are more than 110. Even if they are still extinct in the wild, as of now, this is still a very impressive feat. As the scientists have worked with the birds, they have learned many helpful things. For example, they learned inbreeding badly affects the offspring. So the scientists have to be careful about which birds they put together to breed.
Did you know that alalās live on average up to about 18 years in the wild, but in captivity they live for about 28 years?
Yes, I did, dumb infographic voice. But did you know that alalās are some of the largest and loudest crows on the planet?
Did you know that this video is almost over?
It is? Oh shoot, it is. Well, goodbye and thank you for watching until the end.